Hola, señora. Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? Um, to answer your question po, online, ako po nag-apply. Hindi ko lang maalala ko sa Indeed or sa JobStreet. And hindi po siya hybrid kasi virtual assistant po in-applyan ko. So, permanent work from home. The name of the agency is Tactical Back Office. Try mo na lang research kung they're still open. They're accepting newbies actually. As long as medyo confident ka mag salita ng Spanish. Not, hindi naman kailangan sobrang conversational. At least medyo may idea ka or kaya mong sumagot ng question sila. Application na nag-apply ako sa kanila is online. So, from initial interview until